Today on Cutler's Court.
Who was she actually in your mind?
Someone that he had like a secret relationship with.
Hold on, what happened?
He calling her baby. She's sending him money.
Who is this baby? She's really a friend. A very good friend.
This is not the first time he has said he still loved her.
Women aren't friends like that unless they getting something.
I gave him the money.
Why did she give you the $2,500?
To get my vehicle fixed?
Did you get your vehicle fixed?
No.
We'll find out today if he is ordered to pay. This is Cutler's Court. Dawn Jones is bringing her boyfriend to court to put an end to his lying and scheming. She's suing him for $2,500 after he failed to buy a new car with the money she loaned him and says he was entertaining other women for money and rides instead. Joshua Schaefer claims he was conned out of money by a dishonest mechanic, and the women whose cars he borrowed were just friends. As far as he's concerned, the money was a gift and not a loan.
Your Honor, this is case number 1109, Jones versus Schaefer.
Thank you, Tashi. Ms. Jones, you brought this case because you want to recover for payment for an automobile, but yet you don't know if this relationship is going anywhere. Tell me your story.
Well, me and Joshua have been knowing each other since high school. It's a very long time. We recently kind of connected throughout the years. You know, we really didn't become friends more up until recently when we kind of just really reconnected. He actually reached out to me via social media. He was pretty consistent, actually, for about 2 years, I felt, and I just decided, like, you know what, why not? So when we reconnected, Joshua, you know, had his own thing going on with his baby mother. Actually, once upon a time, back in 2012 or 2013, when we kind of reconnected briefly, he was with his baby mother at the time. So now she's kind of back up. And now that we're kind of trying to be together, it's become a real issue. A real issue.
Mr. Schaefer?
Yes.
First of all, congratulations, because you chased hard for 2 years and you finally got what you were going after. So congratulations for the persistence.
Thank you.
Mazel tov.
All right. But Ms. Jones says there's some issues going on because you still have some entanglements.
Yeah, pretty much what she said was all
True?
Okay.
What? We might as well leave.
All right. Well, what do you need us for, right?
Yeah,
No.
okay. All right, so are there any issues between
Yes,
you?
absolutely. I don't know why he, look, she is a problem. She has been watching my story. Look, I am a social media influencer. I have a big following. I get that people, you know, people hate, that's what they do. But she has been vividly, like she is a fan watching my story.
So do you think that Mr. Schaefer is still romantically involved with that person?
He told me.
He told you he
okay,
is?
so on my birthday, she FaceTimed him at night. What did I do? FaceTimed her back and show her both of us in the car. So tell her what's up. What are you waiting for?
And so what?
Stuck.
So hold
That
on,
was in
what
her
happened?
head.
Stuck.
Wait.
That was in her head. She didn't hear
Wait,
nothing.
let me ask the question.
I'm sorry.
When that FaceTime happened, what did your children's mother do, and what did you do?
My children's mother wished her happy birthday.
She did.
Okay, and then what did you say to her?
I was dumbfounded because it was a lot of drama for no reason.
Did you explain to her
Yeah,
that
right in
this
the
is
car.
your lady?
Yeah, she knows.
Okay, is that what happened? Did he tell her, hey, I'm with her?
He told her in the text message, because mind you, he deletes text messages too. He deletes
Okay,
text
but wait.
messages.
You
He
are
told her
fake-
in the
what-
text message that he still loved her. This is not the first time he has said he still loved her. This is the second time on Father's Day he told her she loved her too. She was blowing up his phone on
I feel
Father's
like-
Day.
Okay, but
Hold
wait,
on.
Miss
Hold on, Ms.
Jones.
If he deleted the text messages, how do you know what they said?
This was before he deleted. Mind you, I've went through his phone twice before.
Mr. Schaefer, did you text your children's mother to tell her that you love her, that you still want to be with her? That
No,
you still...
it wasn't I still want to be with her. I did tell her I love her due to
Okay.
the conversation we were having.
Which was?
Mother and father conversation, trying to
Which
co-parent
was?
with the kids.
Hold on, Ms. Jones.
Her going through what she's going through because we are separated. And I feel like all this could be avoided if Ms. Jones and her social media, which she controls, would just block her.
But I'm trying to establish what communication you've had with your children's mother other than co-parenting that has caused Ms. Jones to think there's something else going on.
Just like when I told her I love her.
Okay. And in what context and why did you tell her that?
She gonna kill me. I finally got some closure from her that night from our issues. Tears was dropped and shed. It was really personal.
Okay.
But it backfired when it got brought to light because someone was snooping through the phone.
Let me ask you, hold on. Let me ask you something, Mr. Schaefer. If you share children with someone, and you're trying to co-parent effectively, there is a degree of caring for that person. Am I right? Because
Yes.
you've got this relationship. It's an ongoing relationship. You all are trying to do good by your children, right?
Yes.
And there is love for that person. Am I right?
Yes.
But that doesn't mean you're in love with them. Is that correct? So you have care and concern and love for that person because of the relationship you have and the relationship you're trying to have so that you can raise your children well.
Yes.
Does that describe when you said I love you? Does this describe what you are talking about?
You pretty much took the words that I was trying to put
Why
together.
not say
Okay.
I have love for you though?
Okay,
Like
but-
women take that and like they think, oh, I still
Miss-
got him.
that's
He's not
controlling
going nowhere.
to me.
Miss
Huh?
Jones.
Ms. Jones, okay.
Pull
All
up.
right. All right. So you have a claim for,
2,500.
yeah, what is that about?
I gave him the money to get a vehicle because I trusted him.
Did you give him the money to get the vehicle for both of you?
Yeah, for
Okay.
both of us. It won't
All
be
right.
just for me. Yeah, for the both of us. Because if
Okay.
his vehicle doesn't work and I don't have a vehicle, I mean, what else? He couldn't get his vehicle fixed at the time. Yeah, so I gave him
Okay.
2,500.
Do you have any documentation that it was a loan?
Yes.
Do you
I
have
have the
it with
payment
you?
that was sent to him of the 2,500.
You got proof that you gave it to him?
Yes.
Okay, Tashi, will you get that?
Take your time, Tasha.
Take it slow. Okay, so did you receive the 2,500?
Yes, correct, I did.
Okay, was it a loan?
It wasn't loan. Yes, it was.
So did you understand that was what the money was for?
No.
You didn't know why
I
she
thought
gave you
it was-
$2,500?
I knew, yes, I knew why she gave me the 25.
Okay, why did she give you the 2,500?
To get my vehicle fixed?
Okay, all right, did you get your vehicle fixed?
No.
What did you do with the money?
I ran into some issues getting the vehicle fixed.
Uh-huh. That $2,500 couldn't take care of. Are there any other women that you're concerned about with Mr. Schaefer?
Yep.
Who did he say she was? Just a female friend.
Just a female friend.
Who was she actually in your mind?
Someone that he had like a secret relationship with. I gave him the money.
Did you receive the 2,500?
Yes, correct, I did.
Okay, why did she give you the 2,500?
To get my vehicle fixed?
All right, did you get your vehicle fixed?
No.
Mr. Schaefer, what did you do with the money?
I got to tell the truth. I went to it wasn't a real mechanic, but it was like a garage mechanic who I always go to. And
Okay.
I bit off more than I can chew once he ran into issues that put me in more of a predicament because I put my trust in him.
Okay, so did he not fix your car?
He did not fix my car.
Did you give him the $2,500?
I gave him half.
So the other $1,250, what did you do with it?
Okay, so I had some extra money
It wasn't-
supposedly coming in.
Oh, okay.
So that little extra money I had, I
Yeah.
did a little spending.
On what? It's
On
okay.
what?
Just-
I bought a chain.
okay.
Chain.
I bought her. Okay, I bought some chains.
And then you said you bought her something. What'd you buy her?
Didn't. Right. What you bet me? I ain't get it.
We went out. We always go to the studio together. You know what I mean? I pay for studio sessions.
Is she making music?
Yeah, she
I
makes
just
music.
started kind of rapping, being
Oh.
an artist. My artistry is really like in hair, makeup, styling, consecrated. Like that's where my artistry is. I did write, but I just started rapping for real, cause of him. So
Okay.
yeah, he did spend
All
on
right.
studio time.
Did you understand that he had spent half of it trying to get the car fixed and that fell apart?
Yes.
Okay, so he did use part of the money for the right thing. It just didn't come out right.
Mm-hmm.
You would agree with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we've talked about your concerns regarding Mr. Schaefer's mother's children. Are there any other women that you're concerned about with Mr. Schaefer?
Yep.
Okay. Tell me about that.
After he didn't get his car fixed and spent it on lavish, whatever rappers do, this girl that her car that he was driving us around in, I was under the impression that this girl, matter of fact, I seen the girl because I got in the car with her, and she had a whole attitude, and it was just like,
Okay, wait, hold on. You didn't jump 2 or 3 times.
Hold on, Ms. Jones. So at some point, Mrs. Schaefer is driving you and him around.
In someone else's car,
in a
yes,
car.
absolutely.
Whose car did you think it was when you first got in the car?
I thought it was a friend of his that he lied about.
Was it a female friend?
Yes.
Okay. So that part was true. But what part was not true?
Who she was.
Okay. Who did he say she was? Just a female friend?
Just a female friend.
Who was she actually in your mind?
Someone that he had like a secret relationship with.
Why?
Why?
Why did you think it was a secret relationship?
When I got in the car one day, she came to pick us up because she was dropping her car off to him and he was going to drop her off at her house. She literally came to get us and we went
You and
to go.
him?
Me and him and my daughter, because my daughter was with me at the time.
Okay.
And we went to go drop her off. And I felt
At her house?
At her house.
With her car?
With her car.
What the?
She got out the car and was like, oh yeah,
Bye.
come get your chain.
Come get your chain?
Come get your chain.
She
Your
told that
chain
to,
was
She
at
told that
her.
It sounds
Wait,
crazy. It's not.
your chain was at her house, at the friend's house?
It was, yeah.
Up next,
He calling her baby. She's sending him money.
Who is this baby to you?
She's really a friend.
Women aren't friends like that unless they getting something else.
Okay.
Why did you think it was a secret relationship?
We went to go drop her off, and I felt
At her house?
At her house.
With her car?
With her car.
What the?
She got out the car and was like, oh yeah,
Bye.
come get your chain.
It sounds
Wait,
crazy. It's not.
Your chain was at her house, at the friend's house?
It was, yeah.
Mr. Schaefer, why was your chain at her house?
I left it in her car.
How much of a secret relationship is it if she picks you up and y'all all get in the
Look.
car and y'all all go to her house where she lives? How secret is this relationship?
Okay, so it's a secret because when he dropped her off, they both got out the car. He left his phone in the car.
Okay.
I went through his phone.
Okay, so when you went through the phone, what did you find?
When I went through the phone, I saw messages, them talking. He calling her baby. She's sending him money.
Who is this babe to you?
She's really a friend.
A very good friend.
Yeah.
And let me just tell you, women aren't friends like that unless they getting something else.
Okay.
It really is just a friendship.
No sex.
No.
No cuddling.
No.
That was a slow
I
one.
knew she had. I knew
ahead.
she had feelings for me.
Okay. All right. I see what this is
But
headed.
we were really friends, and she understood that.
Did she?
It got really real when she found out that me and Don were really serious. So that's when that friendship kind of got unmasked on her end for me personally.
Men are so
Because she had to show her cards at that point.
Yeah,
like,
she
look,
was dropping them on me. And I'm not a heartbreaker, so I don't know how to, not to make someone cry by telling the truth.
So what did you do?
Pretty much I was ducking.
Ducking
I was
and
trying
dodging.
not to crash, trying not to argue, but it was not working out.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Well,
so we've got that mystery unraveled. All right, but we still need to deal with his arbitration claim.
yes.
And you're claiming $2,500 for the money that you gave him. So at this point, Judge Dane and I are going to deliberate to figure this out, and we will let you know what we determine. Tashi, would you please escort our litigants out?
So I kind of feel sorry for Mr. Schaefer. I don't think he's a player. I think he just
got caught up.
He gets caught up, and then he's like, I don't know what to do with my hands. I'm just, I mean, that's
trying
what
to
I
make
get
everybody
from it.
happy.
Trying to just keep the peace.
Yep.
We know the players. That ain't it. The game is beating his behind. That's what's happening. Okay, so this money, I don't know. What do you think?
My problem is, and I asked her specifically, was this money to be used for the both of you? Were you buying the car for both of you? And she said yes. At that point, for me, it's not a loan.
It is.
It's like, here's the money, go buy a car for both of us.
And in his, like, okay, I'm just trying to make it right. Yeah, baby, I'll pay you back.
Yeah, so I don't see it as a loan.
Okay.
I see it as their money, and she gave it to him for their joint benefit. Now, the fact that he didn't use it for that, that's a problem.
You picked up on a very important piece of evidence, and it kind of sailed past me. So I don't disagree with you. Go, Mr. Cutler, look at you.
So, look, let's. All right, so let's bring our litigants back in.
So, Mr. Schaefer, we know players. We get to see plenty of them. I don't see you in that category. What I see is, I don't think you have the energy to keep up in the game. So I don't think you try to play game. But what happens is you get caught. You get caught up. Miss Jones, she for real. This is a whole handful and a footful too.
Yeah, and that's not negative.
It's not negative. It's a beautiful thing. I love the energy. But for him, wearing him out. He's working on all the cylinders he's got to keep up with you. And so what I'm going to say to you is, 1, slow down. Be mindful of her. And if she's let you in, you cannot betray her. Because if you betray her, she gonna put you on lock out, lock down. She ain't gonna even let you say her name out loud. So you have to be very mindful, like, okay, how's this gonna land? Does this look right? You're gonna have to tell folks, look, you my friend, but this is my lady. And you need to say it in front of her.
Because what looks like betrayal to you, you like, oh, well, that's not betrayal, this is just a friend. It looks completely different to her because of what she's been through. Be as transparent as you can.
And I think that if things are done in proper order with transparency, y'all gonna be okay. Whatever the outcomes are gonna be, okay?
Now, Ms. Jones, let's talk about your claim for $2,500. You gave him the money. You're supposed to come up with a vehicle, whether it's a new vehicle or a repaired vehicle. At some point at the end of that road, you're supposed to have a vehicle. But something you said kind of piqued my interest because I asked you, did you give them money to buy a car for him, or was it for both of you? And you said it was for both of you. And for me, that doesn't sound like a loan because it's for both of your benefit. And so while he didn't produce a vehicle with that money, I don't know that the law allows you to recover for it. And so on that claim, unfortunately, we're going to have to find against you and in favor of Mr. Schaefer.
Woo!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. So go with God, take care of each other. That's the ruling of this court. Court is adjourned.
I gave him the money. He did what he did with it. He won. So
We had a couple issues when we bumped heads. I think it's minor on my end. I think she's beautiful.
So used to just doing what I'm used to. So, I mean, it's really just taking a risk at this point.
I don't think she want to hug me right now. As bad as I want to hug her,